Hi, I'm Chief Drake, Chief of Training here at Headquarters, and this is your Headquarters Training Minute.
Actually, Chief, this is more of a book review. Did you by chance read that book I told you about?
This book, Go for No?
Yes.
No.
Chief, if you would have read the book, it tells you that the word no is the strongest word in the English dictionary.
I thought recommend was the most powerful word.
No, Chief. If you actually read the book, it's going to talk to you also about the difference in failing versus failure. And it's going to help you overcome that and get out there and look for those no's so you can get that yes.
It sounds like a worthwhile read for our recruiting force.
You can thank Master Sergeant Goodlove for that.
I will do that. I want to thank Sergeant Kohler for coming by today, and as always,
Actually, Chief, can we talk about one more book?
it's only a Headquarters Training Minute.
Thanks, Chief.
Okay?
The other book that I recommended to you, The How to Win Friends and Influence People in the Digital Age.
Mhm.
Did you read that one?
Actually, I kind of started to. I read the original many years ago, How to Win Friends and Influence People, but this book actually talks about how to do that in the digital age, dealing with social media and the digital marketplace. It's very interesting and definitely worthwhile reading when it comes to our new social media platform that we're putting together.
Absolutely. And my flight chief, Sergeant Marlin, actually recommended this book, and I'm actually in the middle of it right now. So it is very interesting. It's definitely helped me out with some recruits and new leads and applicants.
It's definitely a good read, and I highly recommend it. Well, again, I want to thank Sergeant Coley from Central Recruiting Squadron for coming by today, and as always, good hunting.